What's going on, YouTube? Eddie here. Listen, I know it's been some weeks. Just been traveling, been doing some things, been handling some business, but I'm back with some videos. Yo, again, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video out with all your family members, all your friends, things like that. Let's get to it. I have two videos I'm dropping back to back, so I'll probably drop this one first, and then I'll drop the other one, and then I'll drop a vlog. A little calm vlog on a Saturday, just me chilling with my friends and things like that, by the pool or whatnot. So I've been getting this question a lot, and people are always asking me, is credit repair worth it? Do I think I should pay a person to fix my credit? Should I do it myself? Yada yada yada. And the simple answer is there's no right answer. There's no yes or no answer. There's no right or wrong answer when it comes to this specific question of, is credit repair worth it? Should I pay somebody to fix my credit? So that question is essentially two. So is credit repair worth it? Yes, 1000% credit repair is worth it. Now it gets tricky, or there's no right or wrong. When I say there's no right or wrong answer, that is to answer the should I pay somebody to fix my credit, right? Because those are two different things. Credit repair is 1000% worth it, whether you're doing it yourself or you're paying somebody. Now, paying somebody to do it, it all depends on your specific situation, right? A lot of times people don't have time to be sending out disputes, to be, going through their credit report. A lot of people don't have time, and then a lot of people don't know what they're doing. So trying to do it yourself is just a recipe for disaster. It makes more sense to go ahead and pay somebody to do it for you, a person that's knowledgeable, a person that's been speaking about it, that's been showing results, that knows the information and can give you, some leeway and some help. So again, it all depends on your situation. So you want to ask yourself, like, first, do you know why your credit is bad, or do you know if you actually even need repair? Sometimes people contact me and my team, and they don't even really need repair. They just need to remove, a few hard inquiries and maybe add a trade line or open up a new credit card so they can build history. So it all depends. Do you know how to read the report? Do you understand what's causing your credit score to be low or not where you want it to be, right? That's what you want to ask yourself, right? And then after that, if you do understand, then now, do you know the repair process? Do you know exactly what to do, what to put in these letters, how to send these letters, so on and so forth? So it gets very deep. And when it comes to credit repair, there's many different methods, right? There's no one method that just removes everything off your report. There's many different ways to go about it. Some people use factual disputes. Some people use Metro 2. Some people use the CFPB, so on and so forth. So again, there's many different ways to go about it. And that's why, if you don't know any of these things, if you don't know what to put in the letters, it's best to maybe find somebody that you know, or go through us and have us repair your credit for you. And I'm gonna make sure this video is not, biased, because my team and I, we do credit repair for, specific individuals. But again, if you know what to do, or if you feel like you have the time, or you're willing to sit down and learn the information, or pay somebody to teach you the information, go ahead, by all means, do it yourself. But if you know you're not a person that's really into it, you just want your credit fixed, you don't really care about learning the information, you just want to get that new car, you just want to put that, down payment or get approved for that new home, you know what I'm saying? So if you're one of those people, yes, by any means, go ahead and pay somebody to go ahead and fix your credit, right? Because again, there's many different ways. Like I said, there's many different ways to go about it. And you don't want to be a person where you go ahead and you say, hey, I'm not, paying nobody to do it. I'm going to just do it myself. And then you end up messing up, everything, where you're doing the wrong disputes. You're putting in all this work. You're sending out all these letters. You're doing all these things, and nothing is coming off, or nothing is working, right? So don't be one of those. If you truly don't know nothing, right, put your pride aside, right? Contact somebody, contact us. I'll have the link, right, or I have our information in the bio or in the description. I always say bio for some reason, but I'll have it in the description. Go ahead and contact us. We do free credit audits. We'll go ahead and tell you exactly what you need to do, what needs to be done, and then we go ahead and do it for you. So to answer the question, credit repair again is 1000% worth it, right? You guys should know how having bad credit and having a low credit score can hurt you tremendously, especially if you're a business owner looking to get into the business credit side. You want to have your personal credit in order, unless your business is doing like $2 million plus in revenue, right? Then you don't really have to worry about your personal credit as much, but you should either way. If your business is doing that well, your credit score, you should be working on your personal credit. But for the other individual who might not be running a business, you have a full-time career, you're doing your thing, you know what I'm saying? Having bad credit is just not it, especially in the times that we're in right now. When it comes to buying anything that you're trying to finance, like, if you have bad credit, your rates are going to be through the roof. It's not even going to make sense. And another thing too that I forgot to mention, when it comes to the price, you don't want to look at the price of paying somebody for credit repair. You want to look at the value and how much it's going to cost you, right, in the long run, having that bad credit or having that bad score on your report. So for example, right, if it's going to cost you 5 to 10K more on interest when financing a car, having that bad credit versus paying somebody, $1,000 or $500 to fix your credit, you kind of got to do the math. I'd rather pay, 500 to 1,000, have that person fix my credit, have that person, boost my score at a trade line and, repair my credit, to save me thousands and thousands of dollars on the back end, right? So that's something to think about when it comes to paying for somebody for repair as well. So before I end this video, I can't leave out how to know somebody is credible, how to know somebody is, actually doing what they say. Is really just results, right? Testimonials or referrals. Those are the few things I would look for if I was looking for like a credit person or a company to go ahead and fix my credit. Who's giving out free game? Who's giving out free knowledge? That's what I would look for. Like somebody that I'm actually learning, even if it's just a tiny bit of things, and then that person shows results, shows testimonials, shows messages, or shows things of people's credit that they already have fixed. And then I would also ask for referrals too. Ask around, like, hey, do you know anybody that fixes credit? Do you know anybody that is doing their thing? Do you know anybody that can help me with my report? Again, you got to put that pride to the side sometimes and just ask for help. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, they like to sit back and not ask for help and just be to themselves and things like that. Nah, if you're really trying to get to it, go ahead and ask for help. Go ahead and ask around who fixes credit. Like I said, I'm not gonna be biased towards me and my team, right? My team and I, but we go ahead and we help people. If you do need your credit fixed, contact us. We'll talk to you, we'll help you out, things like that. So yeah, credit repair, 100% worth it. Paying somebody to do it, if you don't want to do it yourself, 1,000%, 100% worth it. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. As always, Instagram up here. Eddie out.